yeah, fún wọn lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀, fún wọn jẹ́ bí ṣe wẹ́gbẹ̀. iPhone 1, iPhone 2.
What's up, people? Good morning, guys. Alright, so today's Sunday and we are on our way to church, and today is appearing to be like a very rainy day, because already the cloud is like forming, or God, you know how do they call it. The cloud is changing a lot and it's making everywhere appear so dark. Alright, so I guess it's gonna rain, but it's been dripping, like dropping a little. I want it to rain because today is Sunday. I don't want it to rain now because I'm just, well, if it rains, we won't have so many people in church. Because also so many people will take excuse that it's raining, and I'm gonna be few in church. So I don't want it to rain this morning, but I want it to rain later, so that when I come back, I'll just get into my bed, cover up some sheets and sleep. Alright guys, so happy Sunday, guys. Hope you are having a wonderful and blissful Sunday. For me, I'm good. I'm doing very good. Oh my god, this place is full of dirt. I don't want to be dirty tired, but grand. So we're gonna be talking again later after church. Alright, so bye guys, and remain blessed and beautiful. What up, guys? So I had to carry my slippers because I can't drive with these heels. Okay, so when I actually get into the car, I have to remove the heels, like one side of it. That's why you can see. And then I'll wear slippers to drive because I can't drive with my bare feet. I won't be comfortable. I didn't learn with bare feet, right? Anyway, guys, so just going back to the church right now, and just parking the car, and now going upstairs. Today's service has been good. I never wanted to like go to church today. I was like, when I woke up, hello. We have a lot of children today in our compound. Come and say hello. Oh yeah, say hello. Tell them what is your name. What is your name? Emmanuel, oh yeah, tell them your name. He wants to go and collect the camera. Look at it. He wants to go and collect the camera. I tell them your name. I say your name. What's your name? What's your name? Chisom. Oh, Chisom. What about you?
Yamaka.
Okay. Oh yeah. What about you? You want to get the camera? No, I'm the only one who's going to be vlogging. Emmanuel. Alright guys, so just coming in. So I was actually telling you guys before the kids interrupted me, I never wanted to go to church today. You know, like when I woke up today, I was kind of feeling really like I don't want to go to church. And then I know you guys kind of feel like that sometimes too, that if you're a Christian, if you do go to church, you feel like that sometimes. So what I did was that I was like, man, what am I gonna be doing in the house if I don't go to church? You know, today's Sunday and I'm usually like around and in the house working, and most of the time going for meetings. And I'm like, if I don't go to worship God today, what am I gonna be doing? So I had to just, you know, put myself together and just take my bag and dress up and leave the house. Let me go and worship my Almighty God, the creator of heaven and earth. Alright guys, I'm actually just came back now. How is your Sunday doing? I think this is actually the second time I'm saying that. I said that in the morning. Alright, so let me just look for something to eat. I want to pop some popcorn, you know. Yep, I have a call. Who could be calling me? Who knows me? Who knows me? Who knows me? Okay, my friend. All right, guys. So let me take this call, and I'm gonna be right back. I want to make a popcorn, right? So probably I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm gonna make the popcorn. I learned it. I had to go and learn like how to make the popcorn because I love eating popcorn, but I don't know how to make it, so I have to learn it. I actually learned it here on YouTube, like seriously, trust me, I learned everything here on YouTube. But it's nice. I did it yesterday. I was super duper excited that I did learn it, and I did it and it came out well, unlike the other one I did and it didn't come out well. So I will be right back. For now, peace, guys. Alright guys, so here's the first beautiful. But in this one there's no sugar, so I have to use sugar later. There's a way that I learned how to put sugar. I'm just going to show you if it's the same way you know of this, or there's a different way that you know. So what I did is that I just put on the fire down for whatever reason. I think I actually use my hand to cover it, so I had to pour in some vegetable oil into the pot and then allow it to heat a little while, and then I poured in the popping corn. That is what I'm actually doing, as you can see. After that, I would have to like shake it for the oil to touch all the popping corn. Alright, what I do, I just shake it so that all the oil can touch the popping corn. Then I'll have to close it and increase the fire. Okay, so that's literally how I have come to acquire success in this popping popcorn. Alright, so I'll just have to wait for it to start popping. Okay, let me show you that actually start popping. Yep, look at that. So I have to close it so that if I don't close it, it would be coming out. Look at that. Oops. Alright. So, oh, the oil, hold it for me. So, alright guys, so in here I have milk and sugar, so I'm going to be turning that into the popcorn. The popcorn should still be warm. Oh my god, it's shrinking it. So I'll turn it in and then I will mix everything up together. I'm pretty sure it's not all the popcorn it's not all that's going to touch the popcorn, like the sugar and the milk. the one that the sugar and the milk touches and the one that it didn't touch. Alright, you can see the difference. This one touches it, that's why it says brownish, and this one didn't touch. Alright, so that will be it for this popcorn. I think that is okay. There was too much of sugar in the one I did yesterday. Alright, so that's why I had to put a little bit of sugar today, because I don't want to be taking too much of sugar, but the fact that I love to take popcorn. Alright guys, so let me go and enjoy my popcorn. I have some soft drink in the fridge, so I'll talk to you later. Peace.